Hi everyone, today we're going to look at how to use Vizard's powerful features to quickly create an ad. Start from the home page and click on AdMaker. Next, choose B-roll plus VoiceOver. Here you can paste the product link for the ad you want to create. I'm going to paste a lip gloss link copied directly from Amazon, then click Import. On the left side, Vizard automatically pulls in the product images from the link. We'll click Select All to include all of them. On the right side, you can customize the ad before generating it. First is the product name. In this case, we'll remove the extra text 04. Is it fussy? To make the title cleaner and more professional. Vizard has already generated a basic product description for us, but you can always add more details depending on your needs. Next is the target audience section. As you can see, Vizard provides a pretty comprehensive audience summary already, so we won't need to adjust much here. We'll just make a few small edits to the main message to better match the style we want. For the voice, I'm choosing Lisa, since her tone sounds more elegant and fits beauty-related content really well. Then, choose your preferred subtitle style. Once everything is ready, click Generate Ad. And just like that, Vizard will automatically create a polished ad using B-roll visuals and AI voiceover, making ad creation much faster and easier.